TRIQBRIQ comes as a response to the climate crisis and the high CO2 emissions in the construction industry. It relies on brickwood bricks that work like Lego bricks and are connected with beechwood dowels. Builders don't need glue or screws, making the process fast and straightforward. Building a 500 seconds M floor only takes 2 days, compared to 10 to 20 days when working with concrete. Brick is versatile, suitable for load-bearing walls. TRIQBRIQ timber construction system consists of micro-modular timber building blocks, the so-called bricks. These are manufactured with high precision using robot technology from inexpensive industrial and calamity wood. The individual bricks are placed on top of each other at the construction site and locked together using beechwood dowels. Our patented carcass system can completely dispense with artificial fasteners. In this way, load-bearing exterior walls can be erected cost-effectively, flexibly, and in a short time. At the end of a building's service life, our bricks can be removed by type and completely reused. Even reclaimed lumber is used in the production of our bricks. TRIQBRIQ thus offers a holistically sustainable and recyclable alternative to conventional building materials. TimberHP is a privately held, Maine-based building products corporation founded in 2017 to develop and manufacture renewable, biodegradable, non-toxic wood fiber insulation for the residential and light commercial construction market. Global climate change is an urgent threat. It must be addressed. Blending in small amounts of borate, a mineral and natural flame retardant, mold inhibitor, and insect deterrent, gives TimberFill and TimberBad an ASTME84 Class A flame and smoke spread rating. These heat-resistant insulation and fire-resistant insulation options are ideal for residential projects and also provide solutions for commercial buildings. Dense and durable, Timberboard achieves an ASTME84 Class B flame and smoke spread rating without the introduction of fire retardants, outperforming most foam board competitors. Timberboard, Class B rating TimberBad, Class A rating TimberFill, Class A rating ASTME84, anticipated rating based off of European product testing, manages moisture, water-resistant insulation. All timber products can effectively absorb and redistribute unwanted condensation and moisture, build up evenly, creating increased interior comfort and more resilient buildings. Timberboard is a hydrophobic insulation that repels bulk moisture in wall and roof assemblies, offering long-lasting continuous insulation to thermal bridging, as well as protect. A-fold prefabricated wooden houses and glamping models are custom built to meet every need for space, design, and budget. With our modular wooden houses, it is easy and very fast to create a comfortable environment to live in, which combines high functional features with the architectural value of Italian, Design.The foldable modular house is based on an eco-friendly, energy-saving, fast, and means-efficient building concept. It can standardize the movable room components of temporary buildings. Not only can it be assembled and disassembled quickly, but it can also be transported and moved as a whole. Can also be used for inventory and multiple turns. It has great flexibility and practicality. With light steel as the frame, sandwich panel as the shell material, standard module series as the space combination, and bolted connection as the component, it is the new favorite of the environmental protection economic activity house. X-Fix is a timber-to-timber assembly system for fast and easy joining of cross-laminated timber (CLT) elements and wall-wall connections or ceiling joints. The double dovetailed, wedged coupling, made of laminated beech or birch, connects CLT panels without metal. X-Fix saves time on the building site. X-Fix links cross-laminated timber ceiling elements in an easy, fast and secure manner, and at a low cost. The patented double dovetail connection is additionally split wedged to enable fast assembly when inserting the elements, and it is also self-tightening. Areas of application: connection of cross-laminated timber ceiling elements, connection of cross-laminated timber wall elements. Advantages: easy to assemble wood-wood connections, quick to insert, and simultaneous tightening, with no additional tools needed. Self-tightening connector: high mechanical properties. Thanks to the use of high-quality beech or birch cross-laminated veneer timber, no steel used in the connection. Environmentally friendly alternative to lead flashing and 80% lighter than lead. Ubbink non-lead waterproof flashing material is manufactured from reinforced aluminium mesh with a mixture of modified bitumen. The material provides a weatherproof junction at features such as changes of direction and materials. All-type roofing stock insulation boards from well-established industry brands that comply with all building regulations. Stratherm and Celotex are some of the brands, to name a few. Our stock ranges from per insulation boards to loft roll. Check out our insulation below or visit one of our depots located throughout the Southeast.